We are doing very fine. We are taking a lead in the maritime matters.
Your programs running.
We are stationed in Malindi.
Oh, you have a campus in Malindi?
Yes, we have a campus.
ربنا هب لنا من أزواجنا وذرياتنا قرة أعين واجعلنا للمتقين إماما ربنا سهل لنا من كل خير.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm delighted to mention here that the Kenya government, with the support from the World Bank under the East Africa Skills for Transformation and Regional Integration Project, ESTRIP, has been developing a model training school for maritime transport and port logistics at Wa in Kwale County. This premier facility, operating as a campus of the Kenya Coast National Polytechnic, is now 94% complete and will be ready to register trainees as early as January next year. We had a total number of 760,000 students who did not make it to university out of the 960,000 that did their KCSE last year. That's why these institutions are so critical to our economy, because without us providing facilities and infrastructure to take care of these students, you can imagine the challenges that we have in unemployment and other issues in the country.